Hello there, internet. Good morning, and let's talk about salvaging countertops. We have an 1.25 inch thick drop edge Caesarstone countertop, and the hardest part about this is getting it off the cabinets to begin with. It's a simple procedure. We take a 2x4, we screw on a T-bar, we use a bottle jack, and we slowly push it up. Now, in this situation, we were able to do it with only one bottle jack and then move it around, block, and shim as needed. But if you have a more sensitive stone, you might want to use 2, 3, 4 bottle jacks so you can levitate the countertop evenly. As I move around to the side here, you can see I'm up now. I got the first step. I'm up off the ground about 1 inch. I'm going to go a little higher so I can slide my blocking, but you get the overall point. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy building.